Hello, it is Rain Lady Julie again. I am here with another great tip for dealing with those difficult people in our lives during this time of year. Actually, these tips work any time of year, right? It doesn't have to just be this time of year. But another great tip that I like to give is basically be kind to yourself, right? Be understanding of where your boundaries are and be okay with setting them. You don't have to say yes to every single invitation. You don't have to stay as long or come as early as everybody always wants. If you're at your max point, don't overextend yourself. If it's okay to say no. What we tend to do, especially with family, is give in to those expectations of the individuals around us, or even within the people at work, right? There's, oh, I have to impress my boss, so I really need to be there and I need to make a good show. Do you? Like, is it really that important? Now, I'm not saying be rude and turn down everybody or give people a cold shoulder. That's not what I'm trying to imply. What I'm trying to imply is that it is okay to sometimes say, I'm at my max point, right? I'm gonna come to this event or I'm gonna come to this family gathering, but you know what? I'm not gonna hit them all. Or yes, I will come visit family in a different state, but I'm not gonna stay in the house. I need my downtime. I need my quiet time. So I'm gonna stay in a hotel and we'll see you for dinner. Right? It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. So that's my tip. It's okay to say no, figure out what your boundaries are, and be a little kind to yourself. All right. I'll talk to you tomorrow with more.